Peace and greetings. Peace and greetings. It's Corey Rose here from Your Business Needs. And in today's short presentation, I'm going to be talking about the tax advantages of owning a home-based business in America. All right. And I'm going to be doing it in plain black and white. I'm going to show you the benefits of just owning one. Okay. Not even making income from it, but just having a home-based business in your pocket. And I'm going to show you the benefits, how it applies to your everyday life. So as you come on to the live today, make sure to put one in the comments. So I know you guys can hear me out there. Also put HBB if you're interested in getting a home-based business. Okay. So once again, we'll be talking about the tax advantages of owning a home-based business, even if you're not making any income from it. All right. Just give me a few seconds. We'll be starting in the next 60 to 90 seconds. Going to share a couple people. What's going on, Miss Penny Ma? We'll be getting started in the next 60 seconds. I want to share this out to my page, a few groups, and then we'll get into the presentation about why, if you want to live in America, you need to have a home-based business. Also, guys, I'm doing another contest with this video. If you want to enter, just put one in the comments, like and share for a chance to win a free vacation to Cancun, Vegas, or Orlando, Florida. So without further ado, let's get started with the presentation. So once again, guys, this video is going to be about the tax advantages of just owning a home-based business. And I'm going to break it down by comparing two people. Okay, I'll give you two examples of people. Okay, I want you guys to meet George and Jane. George and Jane. Each of them make about $3,000 per month, and each has a mortgage of $150,000 at 6%. Okay, everybody following so far? Now, the only key difference is that Jane was presented some information about home-based businesses and the benefits of having one, and she understood what those advantages were, and she's decided to go set one up. Now, George was got the same information, but he just didn't understand. He didn't understand it, so he just kept doing exactly what he's been doing, and he keeps overpaying in his income taxes each year, year after year, with no end in sight. All right. So the only difference, Jane got information, started a home-based business. George felt like the information wasn't good enough for him. He kept doing what he was doing. So let's put them side by side. Both are making $3,000 a month. Now, George pays about $500 in income taxes each month. And Jane, because she has a home-based business, pays $0. How many of you guys out there make about $3,000 and paying about $500 in taxes a month? All right. I remember when I had a W-2, that was about how my checks used to look. So their available income is $2,500 for George. Jane has $3,000. All right. Now, George gets a lovely $2,400 refund each year. The only reason he gets that is because he overpays in taxes $200 each month. Now, Jane has knowledge, financial literacy, financial education. So she knows that a refund is only that you're lending the government a no interest free loan for 12 to 18 months, and then they give you nothing back. So she says, no, I'm going to pay $0 because I have a home-based business. What's going on, Miss Fitz? Thanks for joining the live. So now the available income for George is $2,300, and Jane still has $3,000. Remember, they have the same mortgage at the same interest rate. So they're paying $900 for their respective homes. Now, George doesn't have any more capital, so he's not putting anything additional to his mortgage because Jane has a home-based business. She shifted her income. She has $700 more to put on her mortgage. All right, which leaves them both at $1,400 for the rest of the month, for the rest of their living expenses. All right, everybody following so far? All right. Now, after 5 years, guys, George still owes $140,000 on his mortgage, while Jane owes $91,000. If this information is good, please share it with someone. Please share it. Also, enter into our contest by putting one, liking it, and sharing it for a chance to win a free vacation to Cancun, Orlando, or Vegas. All right. Now, after 10 years, 7 months, George still owes $124,000 on his mortgage, but Jane home is completely paid off, gone. All right. Now Jane takes that additional 1,600 in cash flow. Remember, her mortgage was 9. She was putting 7 on top of the mortgage. That's 1,600. She invests that 1,600 into her retirement account at a 9% clip. All right. And she does this month after month after month like it's a bill. All right. Now, following them 20 years, George still owes $81,000 on his mortgage. All right. He still owes $81,000 on his mortgage, while Jane now has $318,000 in her retirement account. All right. Because she was able to shift her income. Now, 30 years from the first time we followed them, George finally paid off his home. Woo! But he has 0 in retirement. And he has paid over $174,000 in interest alone. That's another home. He paid for another house just in interest. All right. Now, 30 years later, Jane has not only paid her house off early. Remember, she paid her house off 20 years ago. She now has $1.3 million in retirement. Guys, this is the plan to become a millionaire with your own money. And she only paid $53,000 in interest. All right. So home-based business, guys, which do you prefer? Which do you prefer? You prefer doing what you've been doing? All right. Living paycheck to paycheck, trying to get a raise, trying to work an extra job, taking away time from your family, or why not set up a home-based business, use the money you're already making to make yourself a millionaire. Start making your money work for you. All right. So if anybody's interested in more information about home-based businesses, how to shift your income, how to invest, how to pay down debt, make sure to inbox me. We can get that information over to you. Once again, guys, if you want to enter into my contest, my free vacation giveaway, my daily free vacation giveaway, just make sure to put 1 in the comments. Also, like this video, share this video. Like I said, I wanted to be a real short video. I didn't want to, a lot of y'all guys' attention spans is not long. So I wanted to make it really short and simple on why you need a home-based business. Because as you've seen in the presentation, Jane shifted $500 of additional cash flow each month. All right. $500 is $6,000 each year. $6,000 each year. Just over 10 years, that's $60,000, which she promptly, as you've seen, put on her mortgage with her payment, which killed her mortgage and will allow her to now use that same money she makes at her job into herself, investing into herself, which was her retirement account. Now, imagine, guys, I go into more detail about making money with the home-based business, because this presentation had nothing to do with you actually made $100, $200 extra each month. Look how that would have sped up Jane's results. All right. So once again, guys, if you want to enter into the contest, make sure to share, like, and put 1 so I know that you entered for the free vacation giveaway. And if you want to know anything more about home-based business, or if you already get a 1099, guys, if you receive a 1099, you already a small business owner. So if you're not taking advantage of the tax advantages, you need to hit me up as well. All right. So once again, guys, this is Corey Rose from Your Business Needs, everyone's favorite internet entrepreneur. Until next time, peace.